I don't feel like going again, but I have to go. Because I have some important things to run at home.
Because I want you to stay a little bit longer.
No, your father will be coming back anytime soon. And it's somehow if he gets to meet me here and, you know, you won't feel happy.
Stay, you will not come back. Just a little longer, a little.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Young man, what are you doing here? If you don't get out of this place within this minute, something bad will happen to you. Ojugo, what has come over you? Why do you want to turn yourself into a common prostitute?
Papa, it's not what you think.
Come on, shut up. You want to tell me that I'm blind? Is it my fault that your mother died and left you children for me? Am I not doing my best as a father? Look at your brother. 7 years since he left us. Nobody has heard of him. You are not thinking of that. All you're thinking is how to follow that riffraff.
Papa, Ichike is not a riffraff.
Come on, shut up before I descend on you. Any day you bring shame upon me in this house, I'll kill you myself. Idiot.
Chioma,
my princess.
come and sit down.
Okay, my princess.
Hey, oh, Inoziani. Princess, sorry, are you sure there's nothing that you want? Like water or food?
No, ma. I'm okay. I didn't know that Ejike would take this long.
I didn't know either.
But it's fine. So, I need to go now. I have other things to attend to.
You need to be on your way. I'm so sorry that he didn't come in.
It's okay.
But I promise you, the minute he comes in, I will make sure he comes to see you.
That would be nice, ma. No problem. I have to go now.
Hey, Princess, you're so humble. You didn't come with guards.
No, I came with them. They are waiting for me outside.
They're outside?
Yes, ma.
Do you know, everybody passing here would say that I'm a big woman. Guards standing in front of my house. I can't see you awful because they might not like the way I'm looking.
It's fine, ma.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
You too. Okay, bye-bye. Look after the princess, so. Hey. Hey. Now I feel like a princess. You can't open the gate. Let me come and open it for you. Don't know anywhere. Oh my God, you will make it. You're welcome. Come. Where have you been? The princess was here waiting for you. And she waited for quite a while.
Well, Mama, I went to attend to more pressing and important needs.
So what is more pressing and important than the princess? Anyway, I told her that once you're back, you'll come and visit her. So just turn back from wherever you're coming from and go and see the princess.
I'm not going anywhere.
What do you mean you're not going anywhere? What is wrong with this boy? What is wrong with him? Eh? A whole princess came here to see me. Only Zuzuani. Hi. Oh. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. It had better not be that girl, Ojugo. Confusing you or turning your head. Oh man, walk, where Jike, oh man, walk,
you know you're my personal maid and I like confiding in you. What do you think about Ejike? I think I'm in love with him.
Well, he's calm, he's gentle, he's handsome and presentable. But you know, he's still hustling.
You mean class?
Yes, my princess.
Forget about that. But do you think he likes me?
That I don't know. I don't have an answer to that. You have to find out yourself. But at least try and find out if he has someone in his life already.
You are right, you know. I think that's what I would do. Please get me some juice.
Okay, my princess.
I hope this guy will not end up breaking my heart. Ever since he helped me out of my car, I am always the one paying him visits. He has never come to the palace once. I'm so much attracted to him because of his kindness and gentleness. I hope I don't get hurt.
Greetings, young lady. Are you looking for someone, or is your car bad?
Greetings. My name is Adeze. I'm the princess of this land.
Hey, my princess. Nice to meet you. What is my princess doing? What happened? What happened to your car?
Oh, I don't know what happened. I was driving and the car was jerking, and the next thing it just stopped. I've shaked and I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Oh, hey, sorry, my princess. Forgive me if I talk stupidly, or if I ask this question. Where are your guards and your maids?
I just returned last week and I like walking around the village alone, at least to have my own time alone. So.
Yeah. Hey, sorry. Okay. Have you checked the battery? Maybe the radiator, if there's water, or just touch one or two things and try to start it. Have you done that?
I don't even know anything about cars. I don't know. I don't know if you know anything about cars. Can you please help me?
Okay, open the bonnet.
I don't know how to do all this. I don't know at all.
Okay, would you allow me to try?
Of course, please help me.
Okay. Just stand the same so that
Thank you.
so that I will not stain you.
Thank you.
Please, my princess, please stop. You shouldn't be walking around this place alone. Huh? Sometimes it can be dangerous. Hey. I'm looking for stone. Let me use it and eat it. Thank you. My princess, please just help me and start it. Let me use my hand and hold this thing. Hey, it starts. Hey, thank God. Hey.
Thank you so much.
Hey, you're welcome, princess.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No, it's okay.
I hope I don't get hurt. I hope he feels the same way I feel too. Ejike, how are you? I was here yesterday, but I only met your mom at home.
Yes, I was told. But I'm sorry I wasn't around. I had to go and attend to some important needs. That's why I was not home.
Okay. What's wrong with your face? Why are you looking at me like that? Don't you like my company, or are you not comfortable around me?
None of the above. But you know, I still, I'm wondering. I miss your busy schedule. How do you find time to come out here? Come around this place all the time? How do you do it? And besides, I noticed the way you've been looking at me lately, and I noticed that.
And what do you notice about the way I look at you? Don't you like me?
Ugum. You see now? See what you have caused now. Ugum! 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 Ugum!
What is wrong with this guy?
Ugum, please. It's not what you think, please. Please, I can explain. Please, it's not what you think. Please.
What I think? What I think? What is it you think that I think? That you're with another woman? What are you doing with the princess? Okay, she's now better than me, right? I should have just listened to my father.
Please don't say that. Please. You know, I can't deliberately hurt you. You know that's not possible. Huh? Don't reason all those things you saw are back there. Okay, fine. I'll tell you all that it is for you to know about the princess. I will. But please. I can't hurt you deliberately. It's not possible. My love. Be good. Please, I beg you. Please. My princess. You're still here.
Why will you leave me here like that and run after her? Who is she?
She is the love of my life.
Really? And I am?
My princess, I mean no harm. The truth is, she feels hot seeing you and I like this.
But I'm in love with you.
I'm in love with another, not you.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, Jehovah Nadendo. Hey, Jehovah Nadendo. Ewo, Asina meje ije namnapuru.
Greetings.
Hey, greetings, beautiful maiden. How may I help you?
Well, the princess asked me to give you this.
Princess asked you to give me this. What is that?
I wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know. No problem. Take whatever is inside that thing back to the princess that gave it to you. Tell her to tell you whatever is inside that she use it. I'm not interested. Jehovah Nadendo. Ewo.
Yes, ma, how are you?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Our present, Tani.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much. From the princess.
Yes, ma.
Hey, thank you. Now, you should be a gentleman. When somebody brings a gift, before you thank the princess for me. Oh, we really appreciate it.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, hey, the Wakandi Chinese. Hey,
What is the meaning of this?
how could you reject the gift? So if I wasn't around, he rap here, she'll walk away with a simple. No. That's not how to act.
Hey, Mama. Hey, come here.
Hey, don't come on. China girl, move on. Okay.
Mama, what's all this now? Mama, hey. Mind how you collect gifts from this girl.
Else.
You will pay for whatever you collect, The one I'm not involved. I am not interested.
So why the wrong? As far as I'm concerned, the princess will be my daughter-in-law. Sorry. Can you feel good?
Hi, Ejike.
Greetings, my princess.
How are you?
I'm fine, my princess. I'm fine.
I was actually heading to your place before I saw you here. But I can see you are busy. No problem. See you some other time. Okay?
Okay.
Why is the princess always looking for you? One day I'm going to confront her.
No, now, you can't do that now. It's not necessary. See, there is nothing that can come between you and I. You and I were destined to be, have you forgotten? So there is no princess that can come in between us. Okay, don't worry. Don't bother yourself. I'll know how to handle it. I'll know how to talk to her, how to take each other off. Okay?
I'm telling you now. I'll just confront and nothing will happen.
Jealousy. Look at. Just look at jealousy. Hey! Come now, come jealousy.
I will confront her.
Yeah, stop being jealous. I'm for you.
I am always going to look for him. He never comes to look for me. He is always going to look for that girl. She is not any way better than me at all.
My princess, you sent for me and you're not yet sleeping. What's wrong?
Nothing, I just want to ask you something.
Okay.
What do you think about that girl with AGK?
Oh, yeah. Well, I think they are so much in love with each other. It's really very obvious.
Are you sure? Because I actually think she's the one throwing herself at him, making him not to notice me.
I don't think so, my princess. I believe they've been together for too long.
So, what should I do now?
Well, you just have to let them be. The other day you sent me to give him a gift. He rejected it.
What?
It was his mother that accepted it on his behalf.
My princess, please. Let's not go back and forth this whole thing. Let's not keep going all over this thing all the time. You have to stop coming here. I beg you. I already told you I'm in love with someone else. Why do you keep pushing it? It's not working, it's not working.
Well, it's not my fault that I'm in love with you.
Ah, there she goes again.
I thought you would still reason with me so I can introduce you to my father before I travel back to UK. We can even travel together, you know.
My princess, please. I understand. I appreciate the fact that you're in love with me, but it is not going to work. I love Ojugo so very much that I cannot leave her for anyone else. Can't you see it's not working? Can't you just see? Please also stop doing this. Stop doing this,
but
please.
I can't. You are breaking my heart. I love you. I can't just live like that. Please.
My princess, I appreciate the fact that you love me. I appreciate your kind gestures. I appreciate your feelings towards me. But please, I don't want to go like, I don't want to be very harsh on you, please. You will stop coming to this place. Because you have to leave now. Please.
My princess. My princess. Don't harm yourself because of this. You need to go where you are needed. It's very obvious. The guy is in love with another and not you. Please, you have to let it go.
I have. I'm just trying to put myself together. I have already told my father and he has approved of me returning back to UK to start my master's.
Wow, that's a very good news, my princess. Just that we're going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. Thank you for everything. You have been more than a sister and a friend to me. Thank you for your suggestion and advice. I appreciate.
You're always welcome, my princess.
Thank you. I have to see AGK one more time if I travel back.
Is that really necessary?
There is nothing more to it. I just want to tell him that I'm leaving and I respect his decisions. So, that's just it.
If you say so.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Really? Good afternoon by this time. For you to greet me good afternoon by this time means you don't know what the time is. It's already evening there. Where are you coming from?
I went to see a friend.
A friend that does not have a name. And you forgot that I will eat.
Papa, I'm very sorry.
No problems. This thing you are looking for, you will soon find it. You will soon find it. And when you find it, where do you go?
Papa, I'm sorry. I'll make something for you too.
Hey. Where's this girl? How'd you go? I'm going for the council meeting. Please wash those clothes in my room for me.
Okay, Papa.
And when you are done, I left some money on the table.
Okay.
Use it and go to the market and buy foodstuffs for what we are going to eat today. And when you are done with the cooking, then you go to my friend Amwechi and collect some money from him, the money he's owing me for the palm wine.
Okay, Papa, but Papa, all these things for today, or am I doing anyone tomorrow?
So, I cannot send you anymore.
No, I'm not saying so, Papa. Just...
Good. Make sure I meet you at home when I come back. Hmm? Yes.
Okay, Papa.
Let me not look for you.
Okay, Papa. Yeah. I don't understand, no. This one, the Papa is sending me heaven and earth. When will I finish all those things and still have the time to go and see AGK? I don't understand. Cook this one, so I'll wash this one, cook this one, go to the market. What time will I have?
I know you feel disturbed that I'm here again. But I promise you, this is going to be the last time you see this face disturbing you again.
My princess, I don't like the tone of your voice. I hope there's no problem.
Not at all. My father wanted me to get married before traveling back to UK for my master's. I don't know why you rejected me and my advances. Nevertheless, I respect your decision.
Well, my princess, I appreciate the fact that you love me. And I would have done that in return, but the truth is that before you came into the picture, I was already in love with someone. Yes, I know that it is not a good thing to hurt someone or for someone to be hurt. It's not good. But the truth is that I'm in love with someone else. And I can't leave her for any other person. Leaving her will hurt her. It will hurt the both of us. I don't want to break her heart.
I understand. That's why I said I respect your decisions. So I just came here to say goodbye. And we're traveling back to UK. So take care of yourself. Okay?
Thank you, and you too. Take care of you too.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Go. Good news. Good news!
What news, please?
The princess. Princess is finally traveling out of this village.
Really?
Yes.
Where's she traveling to?
Well, she's traveling back to the UK to continue with her studies.
Wow. That's good. At least she'll stop dragging my husband with me.
You can jealous for Africa. You can jealous. You can jealous for Africa, eh?
Why wouldn't I be? It's because I love you.
You know I love you more. Sit down. There's something I want to tell you. Easy.
Okay, go on. I'm all ears.
I'm thinking we should just consummate this, our relationship. Let's make it official. So that everyone disturbing us, like my mother, your father, we get off our backs.
Say that again.
Okay. I said, let's get married. Yes. We don't necessarily need to call a big party or call everybody, especially now that we don't have money. A few people from your family, a few people from mine, we'll just make it a small gathering. We get married. Don't worry about your school, your education. Once we get married, we're going to get the means. You go back to school, study whatever you want to study. Oh my God! No. I knew you were happy.
You know what? You don't have to worry about the means, eh? By the grace of God, the means will come.
Amen.
Yes.
You know I love you so much.
I love you too.
What did you just say? Kangwapa, you know, better erase that thought from your mind. There's no way you're bringing in that girl into this house. That Otondo, or not possible.
Mama, why?
In a dream, why?
Why?
Hey.
Eh? What has that girl done to you that you hate her to the extent that even her footsteps you hate it? What has she done to you?
Yes.
It is me that want to marry the Okumbago. It's not me. I love the Okumbago like that. Mama, I have told you times with her severally. It is Ojugo I love and she is the one I want to marry. Why are you making things difficult for me?
Narapifa, what about the princess? The princess is the one you should marry.
I am not in love with her. Ojugo is the one I love. She's the one I've made up my mind to marry. Why am I even bothering myself? The princess has traveled back to the UK to continue her studies.
When did that happen?
Do I know? Am I the princess keeper? Mama, better stop nursing this idea of the princess becoming your daughter-in-law. Because it is Ojugo that I am going to marry finally. She's the one I'm in love with. Yeah? So better stop nursing this idea of the princess becoming your daughter-in-law because you not work. Yeah? And ask him not go back. Just take a look at Ojugo. Look at her open teeth. Look at her lips. Just look at her pointed nose.
Look at her Otondo size.
She's not Otondo. She's not Otondo.
Oh yeah, Dabui.
Except is it the princess that is now figure 8?
Yes, now. OG.
That one that wants to disappear, that doesn't even feed you upon all the money they have.
Because she's losing weight for you, but the two colors, OG and Ocha. If you combine, you give birth to lovely children. But you and Otondo,
it's not my Harry. Are they not my children, Mama?
But they'll be my grandchildren now.
Mama, I have told you my intentions. I have told you. You should start preparing yourself to follow me and go to Mazi Silas and Mazi Ndubisi's house. So that we'll beg them to follow us to Mazi Okafor's house so that we'll go and seek for her in marriage. Mama, you follow us.
I will not follow
you. Follow me. We'll go there. Hey. Mama. Hey.
What is it? Tell me what is it now? I want to go inside and rest. As you see, I'm just coming back from a meeting.
Papa Ejike asked me to marry him and he's prepared to bring his people to come and seek consent from me because I've given mine.
That is not possible. It is not possible at all. Ejike is not the type of man you need. See, since your mother died, I have been the only one taking care of you and your elder brother. As it is my job though. Of course, you know when I was working as a security man, how it shut down and things became very difficult for us. Your elder brother ran away from home. Nobody heard anything about him. All we heard is that he followed his friend abroad. I'm only managing from this palm wine business, which is not even enough to take care of ourselves in this house. To talk of sponsoring your education into higher institution. I want you to marry a man that will feed you. Not only that, but also sponsor your education into higher institution. Ejike cannot do that.
Papa Ejike already promised to do that. Papa, I know that Ejike is still struggling. But I believe everything will be fine with us.
What an elder sees sitting down, you youths cannot see it. Even if you like, climb the tallest Iroko tree.
But Papa, I love him.
Shut up. What do you know about love? You better stay away from that young man because I cannot give my consent.
Am I not the one that will marry him? We don't even know what tomorrow holds. Every time, what an elder sees sitting down, we will not see it. And what is even that thing you people see while sitting down that we cannot see, even when we climb the tallest tree?
Hey, Mama.
Nah.
I'm ready to go to the shop.
Ready to go? You're already late for the shop now. Wait, there's something I would like us to discuss.
Yeah.
What is it?
Mama, you are the one that opened your mouth just now and said that I'm already late to the shop.
I said it.
You also opened your mouth and said Ototo Bafia.
I said it.
Now you want to take from the time that I'm supposed to rush to the shop and meet early morning customers. Eh?
My friend, the discussion is a very small one. So come manage element.
What is it?
Hey, you know this girl Oju? Sorry. I do not mean to be disrespectful. I mean that lady. In short, that woman Oju. I don't understand what you people are doing. Eh? It's beginning to bother me, and I am wondering, Oji charm wage days, you know, her charm walking around you.
Do I look like someone charm will affect? Just look at me. Do I look like somebody charm will affect? Mama, the case of Ojugo and I is the case of love. We're in love. And I have made up my mind to settle down with Ojugo because I will make her, if I leave her now, even my wife will know. Mama, the only thing you will do for me, as a mother will do for an only son, is to give your consent. Give your consent to this thing and let me get married to her and stop insinuating all these things you're insinuating.
Nah, you know, I don't know why I have this feeling that you're rushing into this man. Yes. Eh? Or is she the one rushing you?
Mama, nobody's rushing anybody. Nobody's rushing. I'm not rushing. She's not rushing. We have been nurturing this thing in our mind since. Right from when we were even much younger, when we started going to Amoke Primary School. Hey, Mama!
Is that when you started doing it?
No, we didn't do anything. It's just that we see ourselves, we liked ourselves, and we started talking about it. Now we have decided to hit the nail by the head, do the needful,
Mama,
before one reach idiot.
Mama,
Mama, I'm in between. I'm in between.
Okay, in between with lady. I mean woman.
No.
Go on.
Sweetheart, Ojugo. Yes, my sweetheart. So, Mama, please, give your consent. Next thing now you say that we're in the same witchcraft couple. That's why I want to get married.
I did not mention witchcraft. Or do you people belong to the same couple? No problem. If you want me to support you, I will support you.
Hey, Mama. You see? Don't you see that the moment you said you give your consent, you see did you see the kind of joy that just came out of my heart? It leaped for joy. It came out. Now I will march to the shop with happiness and face the day's market with happiness. And you know, when happiness enters business, money comes. Mama, don't worry. You see, I know I don't have any money now, but I am not going to be poor forever. Yes, that is why I want to marry Ojugo now, even when we go see the now that things are somehow. So that if she comes in, two of us, we will, on our own, build together, hustle together, make money together. You will see, we will make you happy.
Very.
Mama, let me start going.
Start going.
Hey,
I see Afia. Oh, now for my ewu, my fair. I know your plans. That girl doesn't have anything. Next thing you will sell your father's house. Anyway, I just feel I'll be dead by then.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing here?
Mama, I'm here to see Ejike.
You're here to see Ejike? As per what? No, as per what? This early morning, you're here to see Ejike. Don't you know that Ejike will be attending to business matters? Konemanana is a businessman.
Mama, I went to the shop, but I didn't see him there.
Maybe you passed him on the way because he left you a couple of minutes ago. But you start going.
Okay, Mama, I'll be on my way.
You're on your way. Chaluko. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope you have not used charm to hold my son.
God forbid.
God had better forbid it. God had better forbid it because more than one will fight you. Do you understand what I'm saying? Eh? Now, you leave my house. Let Kira.
Okay, Mama, bye.
You're much bigger than this boy. You want to deceive him. You don't want to see someone. What a clinic. You don't know what a woman. I don't know what you don't see no can jump. Hi. GK, that's your size again. I'm going to go to the What kind of size? I won't put my shoe in what size? What? GK, that's a good day.
What did I do to her? Why is she treating me this way? I don't know what I have done to her. I only came to see Ejike, to tell him about what my father said, and now this woman has succeeded adding salt to the injury. Let me go back to the shop. Maybe Ejike will be dead now.
What is it?
Papa, I need to talk to you about something.
See, I don't want that drama. It is too early. If you have anything to say, you say it. Huh? Why are tears in your eyes? Did anyone die?
No, Papa.
Don't stop that nonsense. What is it?
Papa, I came to ask if you've given your consent about me marrying Ejike.
See, if you don't want me to descend on you, I don't want that name ever mentioned in this house again.
But,
ever.
But Papa, I love him.
Come on, get out. Get inside. Get inside.
Papa, I'm just saying confess.
What do you know about love? Stupid girl. Nonsense. Love without money is loveless. It is stupid love. There can't be love when there's no money. Telling me you love him. Don't even know how to love. You are loving somebody that is without money. No money in his pocket and you are loving. Here.
Now that your father has refused to give his consent, what are we going to do now?
I don't know. I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. But I'm thinking of something.
What is it?
I think I should go and see my uncle. Put fear in him. That way he will talk to my father and convince him.
See your uncle put fear in him. I hope you're not going there to threaten him.
No, it's my uncle. I can't do that. What I'm saying is, I will tell him if they don't allow me to marry you, I'll kill myself. That way they will know I am not joking and he will talk to my dad and me.
Do you think that will work?
Well, it's not like we have any other plan. But yes, it will work. Let's try it first.
Let's wait and see then.
What about Mama?
Well, Mama doesn't have a choice. She doesn't have a choice but to agree. After all, the princess, she wants to be her daughter-in-law by all means, is out of the picture. Besides, she can't force me on anyone. Neither will she fly me to the princess. So she doesn't have a choice.
Ejike.
And now,
You said you wanted to see me and it's urgent.
yes,
Now you are here, what is it?
Nani, please. I want you to follow me to Mazio Okafor's place.
The same Mazio Okafor's place?
Yes. Yeah, I'm ready. Even if it means for me to sell everything in my shop and make this a reality, I will do it, Nani.
Wait. Are you prepared for this?
Very prepared. Like I said, even if it means for me to sell everything in my shop, Nani, I'm in a hurry. I want to do this thing quick. Before you feel mad somebody's thing will become somebody's own.
Ejike, calm down. Calm down. I know why I'm asking you this. You don't take decisions in a hurry. You need to sleep over it. You think it over. Eh? Okay, I don't want to be a stumbling block. When exactly do you want us to go?
Nani, anytime tomorrow. Morning, afternoon, so long as it's not night. Because it's not wakekeeping.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm in a hurry. I want to do it quick and carry my wife home. Please, Nai.
I have a place to go tomorrow, but because of this, I will have to let that appointment be. So we'll go there tomorrow.
Thank you, Nai.
But you are really prepared. You are sure of what you are telling me?
Bam! I am very prepared, Nani. I need that list. So that I will start paying, even if it's short. I will pay everything. God being my helper.
Ejike,
it's
you that is talking. You.
Nah, it's me. I didn't leave myself in another place. It's me.
No problem. We'll go there tomorrow.
Thank you, Nai. Thank you.
Ichoka. That is the reason why we are here. You see, our son here has told us of a very beautiful flower in your compound. And so we have decided to come and seek your permission so that we can pluck that beautiful flower.
Go straight to the point on the reason you are here with this hot drink.
Well, it's in respect of your beautiful daughter.
Well, my daughter told me that you will come, so I'm aware. I'm fully prepared to welcome you.
Thank you.
Before you go, I'll give you the list. You go, sit with your kinsmen, study it, and if you are willing to continue, then get back to me on the time you are coming to perform the marriage rites.
Hey! Ichokafo, thank you very much.
Thank you, Nai.
That will not be a problem. As soon as we leave here now, we are getting in touch with our kinsmen so that we can start doing preparation for the needful.
You go,
I
so
really
that
appreciate
I inform my kinsmen too.
Exactly.
Palm wine.
Yes, ma'am.
It is the expensive one. 50 kegs.
They tried, very cheap.
Very cheap. Kola nut. 20 pieces.
They even pity me, sir.
Wrappers, Abada. 100!
It's not just 100 pieces.
I told you. I warned you not to marry that girl, Ejo. Now look at how that poverty-stricken father or Kafo wants to extort money from you, a small boy. Nayajide, you're on your own. That's why I don't like people called Okafor. Fana mi mma ego. And then now Okafor gives birth to Odondo. What a bad combination.
Mama, what is inside this list? There's nothing here now. They even pitied me. Don't you know that some people, they will tell you bring a trailer load of yam. Some people will tell you that you will go and see help them and do second burial of their forefathers.
I mentioned only 3 items. Go down and see.
I've seen it. I saw it before I brought it to you now. Eh? But you see, there's nothing in this one now. There is no marriage right that is too big for my Ojugo. Yes, I know. Once there is love, love surpasses everything. Yes, Mama.
You never know anything. That's why I wanted you to marry the princess. No, princess, the opportunities that would have come our way. I know they would have told JB to come and build for us. Imamaka JB, of course you don't know. Joe sending us a JB, and you will know the kind of Onaka Develani mansion. No leba na go abada na go oji. So pity.
Mama, please, I beg you. Don't mention that name again, princess, at this stage of my life. As a matter of fact, that name is like a plague to me now. Yes! Opportunity. What opportunity will the princess give to me that my Ojugo will not bring with her good luck? Eh? The love she has for me is enough to give me that opportunity times 10. You know what is the same opportunity? The opportunity
Ojugo did not see her level or her size. That is why she came to you. Ojugo, size 15, you should each Italian size 5.
No problem, Mama. Mama, I'm small, but not everywhere. May God give you understanding.
I don't want that kind of understanding because we need is small everywhere.
But I'm growing, don't worry. I will soon grow.
Papa, I know you don't want me to marry Ejike. Look at the outrageous list you gave him. How is he going to afford it?
If he cannot afford such a simple list, then he's not fit to be your husband.
Papa, you call that simple? But please, you need to cut it down.
Go to your uncle's and utter such rubbish.
Papa, I'm going to go inside now and pack my things and leave this house for you. I don't know why you don't want me to marry in peace. I'll go inside now and pack my things and leave the house for you.
You say you want to pack and run to Ejike. You say you want to run away from the house. To where?
Well, Gum. What is it?
What are we going to do about the list? I had to fall out with Papa.
Hold on. Is it because of the list your face is like this? And you had to fall out with Papa? Come on now, you don't have to do that. You don't have to. See, before I ever started nurturing the intentions to get married to you, or for us to get married, I had savings. I'm sure my savings will take care of it. And besides, God will see us through. Right?
Thank you, my love. I was really scared. I don't want them dipping into your savings. We need money to expand your business, as in get a bigger shop.
You don't have to. You want the best for me. You want the best for us. Don't worry. Like I said, God will see us through. Okay? You see all these things? When the marriage, the wedding is over, we'll now sit down and plan well. Getting a shop won't be a problem. Enhancing the business won't be a problem. the most important thing is that we love ourselves, isn't it?
My love.
Yes, baby.
I'm so happy finally I'm with you. I pray happiness will never cease from our lives.
Amen. And I am happy you're all mine. Against all odds. Thank you for being my bride.
Thank you for being my groom. My husband, the mama.
I love you. I'm so happy.
It's me, your mother. Come out, Biko. Or see who is that. Check a chiche before you come out. Can you come here, Mama? Eh?
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you people doing in there? Is she not going to come out and do her morning chores? Nane carry belts, na ifene.
Mama, why now?
Why what?
Why now? You know we had a very long day yesterday.
What is it that you people did yesterday that nobody has ever done? Or seem that you had a long day yesterday? My friend, please go and do what you have to do.
Mama, I don't like this, so I don't like this thing.
My love is okay. Let me go and help.
Osuna, my love. Go and help who? My friend, go and help yourself. Osuna, help her.
Are you sure you can?
Yes. Mba, she can't. She can't.
If you just take it easy, huh?
Gini will take it easy. Kimberly, I can take lazy. Because I don't want this one to help her. I don't want to help her. Let her learn to do her work. That's why she's a woman.
She's still new. So she needs... Mama, what do you want to do now? Baby?
Stay inside there.
My love, take it easy, oh?
Now you go and rest. You're the one that did the main job. Baby.
What is all this now? Eh? Wait, are you my wife or are you a house girl in this house? Eh? Why do you want to? You've been working since I left, and even when I came back, you're still working. What time do you have to rest?
My love, don't worry yourself. I'm almost done. Remaining Mama's clothes, and then I'll go to the market, buy food stuff, I'll cook it.
Today?
Yes.
Today, what? By this time? No, you're done for today.
Eh?
Just go and take your bath. Eh? And meet me outside so that we'll do calculation for the main things. You know, I'm not well, I'm relaxed now. I want you to come and help me. Let's do calculation for the things I need in the shop. As for those chores, you're done for today. So go and take your bath. I don't want to see you outside. And except you're coming there to help me and do calculations.
My love, but what about Mama's clothes?
No but! My love, don't worry. We'll get to do all those Mama's chores later. Okay? Alright? I want you to relax yourself. You've tried. You've been working since morning. Please, okay. Just go and take your bath. Then come and meet me outside. If Mama comes back, I will know what to tell her. Okay? Just go. I love you. Oh, this we need to buy in the shop.
Yes. We have a lot of things to buy.
I know. You know, it's been long I restocked that place last because of this merriment and all that. But I'm just put biscuits. You see, like 4 cartons of biscuits.
Okay.
Write that Irish spring biscuits.
Yes.
That one that has milk.
Yes.
You know, children
Yes,
like it a lot. And you can put geisha.
Geisha.
2 cartons of geisha. I didn't buy it the last time. And sardine. Then you can buy
Welcome,
rice.
Mama.
Oh, Mama, welcome. Mama.
Welcome. What are you doing here?
Mama, I'm helping him do some calculations.
You're doing calculations. Are you done with the clothes I asked you to wash? Or is him doing calculations? Which calculations? Are you his PA or what? Eh?
No, she's just trying to... Mama, how much do we still have remaining?
45,000. No, Mama. 45,000.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Even when I make 450,000, when I own 45,000. Yeah, my friend, my friend. Do your calculations yourself.
You know, it's my wife.
It doesn't matter. She has things to do. Just 10 million, just 10 million. Your wife. Hurry up. Make calculation. No man a bedroom, no mebel. What if I calculate? Open on calculate bedroom or not double calculation. PA. Hurry up with the water, my friend. Is not here. My goodness. God. She would have killed me. It would have been a fresh problem. Oh God. God. It's all this. Huh? I'm the one doing everything. Maybe the one to cook. I will wash. I will go on an errand. I'll sweep the house. I'll clean the house. Just me. What is this for them? Oh God.
How can you lose your baby? No. Oh my God. Oh, not again. It's okay. Okay, let's get you to the hospital. Right? It's okay. Please. Let's get to the hospital. Let's go.
Una batago?
Mama. It's okay. Did you want me to carry you?
You're welcome. You want to carry her?
Yes. She's not strong.
She's feeling better.
Yes. The doctors just said we should go and give us these drugs that she will be taking.
And you did not carry her from the hospital. You did tell her by a child carrier.
No, just that this place. I wanted to carry her. You know, she's always trying to do things on her own. Very strong woman. So when she wants to get, so let me leave her.
Okay, please lead her in or lead her on. Girls of these days. Meziananya, girls of these days, they are so soft. One can nene. Nifo nene mi can see naija. She wants to give my son high blood pressure. God will not allow it. Meziani for cheap. More than not a torture before Kalelia. Oche no ifa na ebunanyas. Nke a bụ na ọgba azụ anụ ọfịa. Kariban oyibu ike ọ bụ. Madam is here. Nna.
Emma.
I invited you here to discuss with you because I know your wife is out.
I hope all is well. You look worried.
All is not well, Nna. I am really worried. You know, it's been over a year now that you people got married. I come and roya. I've not heard any sound. So I got him. And you now told me that your wife had a miscarriage 2 weeks ago. Miscarriage, what? I don't understand that story.
Is that all? No, don't worry, be patient. Oh, you see, at God's appointed time, we'll have our own child.
Now let me tell you something. I want to carry my grandchild. No. You see, these girls of these days, you cannot trust them. All of them will come and tell you, I had miscarriage, I had miscarriage. If by the end of this year, I am giving her until the end of this year. If by the end of this year, she does not get pregnant, I'll send her back to her home.
Mama, you won't do such a thing, no?
Oh, you think so?
How can you just wake up one morning because is she God that gives children?
Okay.
Why would you say that to say that? Ojugo is the love of my life. You can't just send her away like that. She had a miscarriage. I saw it. It's not as if she's not fertile. It's not as if she doesn't because she conceived and the thing left. So there's a possibility that she will have another one.
Don't be deceived. Let me tell you, young girls of these days, they will come and tell you they had miscarriage. This, that, I want a miscarriage. Listen to me.
Please stop this. It's
not ordinary period.
It's not an issue because it's not an issue.
We will see because it is an issue. Obligo issue. Once she does not get pregnant by then, Mama,
wait, let me ask you one question. Why is it that you don't want peace to reign in this house?
Peace, I mean, reign. Come on, peace, and that pachamanya. I wouldn't talk a peace reign. I come about the peace.
Mama, stop this thing, no. Stop this thing. I'm telling you now. Stop it, oh.
Except Monaga, I go back at the wrong car. Nonsense.
Every time, is she God? Is she God that gives children? One week, one trouble.
Mama.
Ogini, what is it? Ogini.
Mama, I came to ask what we are going to cook for dinner.
Hi! Oh, one and you can't ask her to make for dinner. In the morning, you ask me for what you will eat for breakfast. In the afternoon, you drive you get in a lunch. Now, you drive for dinner. Oh, get it done. A jinny wabu yano. Can't we eat up for lunch for dinner? Because some little poor get out of my sight. Some little poor what you eat for dinner? That is how you keep deceiving my son. And let me tell you, if nothing happens soon, I will take you back to your father's house. Only Kopwe. Do you know how long it took me to get to this size? What kind of nonsense?
Mama?
Ogini.
Who are you quarreling with?
Quarreling with one you for money and a quarrel. Or you just want to talk? What kind of stupid question is that?
Sorry. But Mama, I just met you insulting someone.
Insulting someone? Or you go for someone? I was just cautioning her to be careful. All she wants is money for food.
Mama,
or what to cook.
Mama. This hot afternoon, Mama, allow this girl to have some peace. You know she just recovered from a miscarriage.
No.
Allow her to have some peace.
You don't know anything. This recovered from
every day. Mama, I'm tired though. I'm tired.
Tell recovered from what?
Miscarriage.
Hey, it's Ibolibo. I thought you were smarter than this. All she does, but only barely saying on 1 minute there, then the stomach will come out. Or singing all the pregnant. Or just your toilet and releases it. Or say, honey, I had miscarriage. What kind of miscarriage is that? In short, if for two of you, I will start watching both of you. Yes, I will start watching both of you. Jelly Benny. Stupid woman.
Ugom.
Or Sinongini.
Ugom. Okay.
Kai funu mi gadi pregnant nka na menyezu na ego ni na bili kai fuza ni mi yade no afọ ya ata na ogbo
My love. Okay. What happened to you? What happened?
What have I done to Mama? What? She was insulting me for nothing. Simply because I went to ask what we are going to eat. What have I done to her? Am I God against children? Am I God? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I know it's okay. Alright? It's okay. Don't worry, I'll talk to Mama. I'll make her see reasons. Don't get worked up over this thing, please. Okay?
What is my offense? What?
Baby, I said it's okay. Yeah? Osuko, oh, it's okay. You know what? Just dress up. Let me take you out. So that you can go out, see things. I think you need space. So that you'll be happy. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
My daughter, that is marriage for you. So you don't have to be sad about it. I believe that one day God will hear your prayers and give you your own child.
Yeah.
Hope your mother-in-law is not giving you a headache.
No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't give me a headache, but she reacts once in a while.
It is normal for mother-in-laws to react like that. Doesn't mean she hates you.
What, Papa, why me?
You don't have to question God, my daughter. I believe that one day she will listen to your prayers and bless you. All you need to do now is pray for your husband's business to grow. So that when the child comes, he or she will not suffer. So don't be sad.
Okay, Papa, I've heard you. Papa, let me go inside and do some few things for you before I go home.
Okay, my daughter, but you have to be faster about it so that you return in time.
Yes, I will.
So, where you're coming from? there's nothing called timing, right? You didn't check the time, okay? What time? Look at the time you're coming back here. I'm already found out what time wherever you're coming from.
I'm sorry. I went to see my father and I had to do things for him.
Oh! You went to see your father. Are you married to your father or are you married to my son? Eh? Or say I'm sorry. Oh my God, sorry. Now say sorry to yourself.
I'm sorry, Mama.
I said to yourself. Say it.
I'm sorry to myself.
Good. So next time you know you're going to tell yourself sorry, you'll act. You went to see your father. And then my father. You should have married him and stayed back in his house now. Look at you. You left without finishing your chores in the house. You fell out there, man.
I'm so sorry, Mama.
Oh, you're stupid. Don't ask him sorry. Sorry for what? Let me warn you. Next time, you make sure you get my food ready at the right time. The right portion and the right diet. Now get out of my sight. Then go and do what you have to do. Say so no cafe. Ona chisi rono. Mbuze. You have to say my father. Also king with my father. And come here. When you're done with that.
Eh? To her? What? What have I ever done to her? There is nothing I do for her that pleases her. She's just always looking for one or two things to pick on me. I don't know what I've done to her. This woman is really frustrating me in this marriage. It's frustrating me. There's nothing you do that is right. It's frustrating me. She's getting at me. Somebody will just sit somewhere and just be frustrating you anyhow. I don't know what I did to her. I don't know. Everything I do is wrong. Everything I do is wrong. I'm tired, bro. I'm tired. I don't know why she's doing this. I'm tired. It's frustrating me. It is our marriage. It's just frustrating me. It's frustrating me.
What is it?
No, let me kill you.
Hey, Mama, Mama, you being want to hit my wife in my presence?
Before uncle, don't I hit you when you misbehave? Look at this stupid girl. My hard-earned money, I gave her to go and buy ingredients and make a soup for me. She went and made a goosey walu midi. Really one tanker load of water to pour inside the goosey soup. What kind of nonsense is that? Wasting my money for me.
But that's all.
Mama, I'm sorry. You said you wanted oha or egusi, so I did egusi.
Shut up! So instead of you to say that you don't know how to make ora,
Mama,
or guinea.
it's okay. I will give you money, or I will send her to go and buy a hot soup ingredients so that she will make your hot soup for you. You
know the problem I have with you? You're always defending this girl. Just wait until the day she will disgrace you in public. Nonsense.
Mama, stop this.
Are you warning me?
It's okay, Mama.
And if you fight him, you think you can fight me?
Mama, Mama, I don't want to fall you down, and I fell you down.
No.
Water.
I know where to point.
Hey, Mama, you see, you don't like where you're pointing your hand.
Then say you're sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry, Mama.
Sorry, Mama.
I didn't like the way you said it. Sorry, Mama.
Sorry, Mama.
Good.
Now
the game.
Would that do better?
Oh man, as long as he's in this house. Nonsense.
What is the meaning of all this?
It's okay, it's okay.
What will I ever do to please your mother?
See, I know you're a very good cook. Don't mind what she's saying. Go in now, let's go and bring that soup. Let me go to Mankechi's place and buy apple. We'll mix it with.
Did you say buy apple? So your wife can't even pound apple?
Mama,
you don't want to go outside and buy apple? Shoo! Shame on you! Now like Away from the map. We have to take her.
Please go and bring that soup. I'll eat it. Yeah? Please.
So you have to go with me.
No, she won't do anything.
No.
Oh, yeah, come. Let's go and eat soup.
Huh? I'm a near Donny. Alright. Hey.
Hey, Mama. Is this not the soup you condemned? It is not the same soup you condemned and you said that there's no nonsense. I don't know what I listen. This is what you're eating. Look at it, look at the soup. See how sweet it is.
You know why I'm eating it?
Why are you eating it?
Because I don't want to waste the money. I cannot enjoy.
And
secondly, you said you want peace to reign. All I'm doing here is a peace affair. I am trying to bring peace into this family. I'm trying to bring peace into this family.
So that is why you are condemning the soup my wife cooked for you.
Don't forget the money that you promised to
Which
me.
money?
The money for the other soup, of course.
Mama, I'm telling you the
truth.
So now you are telling me to okay, no problem. For peace to reign.
Yes. You give me my money, man, I can't buy you now. You spoiled that girl too much. Yes! The spoiling you're giving her is what you should give to your children. You should spoil your children, not that old woman. And you spoil one once together. Yes! I mean, see if you miscarriage, and walk with her now.
Okay, I should spoil my children and leave my wife. Mama, it is my wife I want to spoil. Give me. You are even licking the soup. Meanwhile, you are complaining the soup.
You can let me go, or
Mama, give me meat.
Jenny.
I need meat to use and swallow this soup.
Okay.
Mama, it's my wife's
food.
Mama, give me meat.
I'll drop this meat on the.
Mama, you are old, though.
Hey,
you're making it
old. Pray that you get old, though. Pray you get old. My daughter with this your wife, you will die early.
No problem. Let me leave you. Because if I do what I want to do now, you just develop BP for nothing.
I can never develop BP. I can never develop BP or do possible. When you're Riano. Milliard your ever.
Baby. Robin. What is it? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Thank you. Why are you all wrapped up like this? You're crying.
I know I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? That's good news! Why are you looking this? Why are you angry? You were supposed to be celebrating.
I know I'm scared. This is not the first time, remember. I'm scared. Just scared.
It's okay, please don't cry. Come here. Please. I understand your fears. I do. But I have this strong conviction within me that this one will stay. God will allow this one to stay. This one will not leave. So please stop crying. Don't you believe that God can make it work? It will work. I have that faith. It's okay. I know. It's okay. And you know that this one that you're carrying now is a boy. Bouncing baby boy. You know, we carry this in your nose. Should not carry this my own eyes like flat tire. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Mama, I came to beg you for something very important. Yes.
What is
I would like you to do this thing for me, Mama.
What is it now that you want me to do for you?
Mama, my wife is pregnant again. And I wouldn't want her to be stressed.
Who's pregnant?
Mama, I said my wife is pregnant again.
For real this time?
Yes. And I wouldn't want her to be stressed because I don't want her to have another miscarriage.
In other words, are you saying I'm the one that caused the other miscarriage? That is if she was ever pregnant.
Mama, you stress her a lot. You make her do all the hard work in this house. All the house chores, only she does it alone. Even when someone offers to help, you don't allow the person to help her. All because you say you're giving her training.
Nah. When I was expecting you, I did all the house chores in this house. And still took care of my father-in-law and my mother-in-law.
Mama, your days and our days are not the same.
That
is how I want it. I want her to be okay. I want her to rest so that this pregnancy will remain for us.
Okay, so
Mama, I beg you.
I have heard you. I will do what you ask of me. Mananam, I will wait until the baby bump comes out. Oh, my block her tricks again. Then we take it from there. I can't even believe you're saying this to me. Except you want me to send that to Dr. Eno. I confirm, Martin.
How are you feeling?
No, I'm scared. I'm tired. What's the meaning of all this?
It's okay. Alright? It's okay. Don't worry, everything will be fine. I think that, thank God, at least from the hospital report, it shows that the baby is in good condition. The only thing you need to do now is to rest up from. But baby, you work yourself so hard in this house that it's not good. You need to rest for this because of the baby. Huh?
My love, that's exactly the point.
You overwork yourself and it's not good. Eh? All the time you're working, either you're sweeping or you're washing clothes or you have to rest. Zoni Keno. Don't worry, I understand. I've already spoken to Mama. I need to give you some breathing space. Yes, you need to rest because I wouldn't want anything to happen to this child and to you. Okay? I've made up my mind that I will be staying more at home with you. Any work that is in this house, I will be the one to do it. But I need you to rest. I don't want anything to happen to our baby and to you. Okay?
Thank you, my love.
Just keep smiling for me. Alright? And I will forever love you.
I love you too, my love.
Have you had something to eat?
No, I don't have appetite.
No, now you have appetite. Now you need to eat something. Just tell me whatever it is, I'll go and prepare it for you.
No, I do. I think I want chicken, pepper chicken.
Pepper chicken? No problem. I'll go to this, what's her name? Mama, this woman now that sells all those chicken, is that her
No,
kiosk?
I don't want her own. I want freshly made pepper chicken.
No problem. You want the one I keep myself?
Yes.
Yeah, no problem. Local fowl or...
Local one, local.
Local fowl.
Dad is me, in flesh and blood. I'm back and back for good, Dad. I'm back, yes. In flesh and blood, Dad. I am back for good. As you can see, it's me, Dad.
Is this?
Yes, it's me, in flesh and blood. Papa, this is me. Can't you feel it?
Is this really you? Chinedu, my son.
Papa, this is me. I am back for good, Papa.
Is you?
Papa, this is me, Papa.
Chinedu! Hey! God, thank
I'm
you.
back for good, man.
I thought I have lost my son. Chinedu!
Papa, stop sounding
My son.
like that. I'm back for good, man.
This is you.
This is me, man.
Hey!
In flesh and blood, Papa. I'm back for good.
Hey! Chinedu, my son.
I'm back for good, Papa.
Is you true to me?
Yes, this is me.
Is you?
I'm back.
Hey! You're the one that came in that big motor.
That's one of my machines, Papa. Yes.
Hey!
I own a lot of them.
I have to call your sister for her to know that you are back. This has been long. Yes, your sister is not married. She's not a married woman. Yes, she's married. She and her husband are living fine.
Wait.
There is no problem.
I mean, my sister is married
She's
so soon?
She's no longer that your little sister. She's now a grown woman.
In this short period of time?
She's not a madam. Don't worry, when you see her, you will understand.
Even at that, Papa, it's too early for her to get married.
Don't worry,
It's too
she's
early,
okay. Let's go in. I'll call your sister and she will know. She will come now. Once she hear that you're back, she will come and you will see her.
She's not married.
She's no more a small child.
This
She's...
short period of time.
Hey!
Oh my God.
Thank God, oh my son. Thank God. Don't worry. All will work out fine. All will work out fine. Hey, my son. I'm so happy to see you again.
Same here, Dad.
I have always known that wherever you are, that you're fine. What I wasn't sure of is setting my eyes on you again before I join my ancestors.
But Dad, why are you sounding like that? I understand that initially when I traveled, things wasn't fine for me. But at the point I got established, you know, what God cannot do doesn't exist.
Yes.
Yes, as you can see, I'm back and back for good in flesh and blood.
I give all the glory to God, my son. Ojugo, your sister, will soon be here.
Dad, what I can still understand is, why do you allow her to get married so quick, so early?
My son, you know, I could not afford to send her to higher institution. And you were nowhere to be found. Things were so bad.
Dad, even at that, you don't believe in God. God still exists. Magic can still happen. Yes, she's too tender to be a married woman. Anyway, that's by the way. Who is she married to?
My lord, you won't believe this.
What happened?
My love, my father just sent for me now.
Eh? Why is he sending for you?
Nedu, my brother, is back.
Edu?
Yes.
Edu Brazil?
Yes.
It's a lie!
Oh, God.
After 7 years!
I am telling you. I am running to my house now to see my brother.
Okay. Go for it. Just...
Oh, okay.
Okay, my...
Hey,
people take care of... Just take care of you.
I will.
Yeah?
I will.
Hey, woo! Hey, Edu! Hey, Edu! Hey, Edu is back! Hey! I would have given her bread. Hey, my love! Hey, she has gone far. I've given her bread to give to Edu.
Yes, it's changed. Everywhere is becoming township. Let me go and get you the bushmeat. I have the palm wine.
Who am I seeing?
Wow!
Look at you!
You're grown, man. This is me, flesh and blood, man. I'm back for good. As you can see, I'm back for good.
You know that hair tie?
Yes, it's
All the motion.
yes, it's me, baby.
You're even wearing it. You look
You
good.
can feel it. It's me. I'm back. I'm back. You're grown. This short period of time, you're grown. Look at you. You're not looking bad, man. You're not looking bad. One thing I don't understand.
Good.
Yes, but that told me you're married now.
Yes, if you're married now, I think I'm still more than the message.
So you are still tender for marriage. Yes.
You live too young for marriage. Let's go inside and show me everything you brought.
All right, I'm coming right away, man.
Your car?
Yeah, this is one of my machines.
He's a
This is
lie.
one of my machines.
Let's go.
I have a lot of them, man.
You back with this for me. Come inside. Show me everything for me.
Hey, Nekwa Nedu. Eh? Nekwa Wait, this God is wonderful though. This is the same Edu we thought will not come back again. We thought he's missing somewhere abroad and he doesn't even know how to come back.
Honestly, I'm shocked. Do you know he even asked to meet with you?
It's a lie.
Edu still thinks I'm the little girl he left long time ago before he traveled.
Oh, you won't blame him.
It's true, you're right.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. You know, Edu is really doing well for himself now. He even dashed me some money.
Are you serious? Yeah. Hey, I'm happy for you. Hey, God has really blessed him. He's really doing well.
Yes, he's doing well.
Oh.
My love, you didn't even ask me how much you gave me.
No. It's your money now. That's your money. You must go and start counting it. So long as they give it to you, just put it straight inside your pocket.
Yeah, right, but he transferred money to me.
Hey!
Yeah, he wasn't holding enough cash, so just look at what he gave me. He transferred to me.
Edu? Edu give you this money?
Yes.
No. Please, I'm happy for you. At that tango, you used that us. So the money now is for us. Before I thought it was your own. Where's your ATM machine?
My love, ATM machine.
Oh, sorry. ATM card. You know, this kind of huge amount of money is usually in the ATM machine. So, just give me the card quickly. Don't waste time.
Can you transition card, my love? What do you want to do with my card?
I want to see if I can use. Let me just use it and go to toilet first. Since you don't know what they use ATM card for.
Honestly, sis, I don't like the condition I met you. What is wrong with you and your husband?
My brother, we're managing. I married my husband because I love him. He's managing a small provision shop.
Really?
Yes, brother, please. I would want you to help my husband. Maybe give him something so that he would expand our business, our shop.
But the question is, why did you rush into marriage? It's too early.
I did not rush into marriage. I love him and he adores me as well.
Alright, I've heard you. I will do something about that. I'll find a way to see him so we can discuss.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome, and I will also love to establish you.
Don't worry about me. Once you just settle my husband, he will take very good care of me.
Wow. I can see both of you are really in love.
Yes.
Yes, I can see that. Love bets. I love that.
Thank you. But I now have the big tattoos on your skin.
What do you expect, man?
Okay.
Things has changed.
I see.
The only thing that is constant in this life is change, you know.
Exactly.
Yes.
It's fine.
Yes.
Maybe I'll draw my own too.
Yes.
It will fit me better. At least my color is brighter. I'm not even seeing well.
Yes. Anyway, anything
Jesus
for my
of
sis.
Nazareth.
Yes, that's what I wrote.
Really? Okay. What did you tell him? What did you discuss?
I told him to help us out of this condition. And he said yes, he will do something about it.
Are you serious? Hey! But, baby, you didn't tell me you were going to discuss anything with him that concerns us.
Well, even me, I didn't know I was going to tell him anything about us. He sent for me and he was asking me certain questions. And I saw the opportunity to chip in, you know, and I told him.
Malicham. No problem. How is my junior doing?
Junior is doing well.
Taking her?
What baby is a girl?
No. Junior will say more. That is a boy.
It might be a girl, but...
If it's a girl, whatever it is a child.
Now you're talking. In fact, they want a girl. Oh, my baby.
That is here.
Yes.
See, if you're a boy or a girl, anyone that you are, if you're coming here with good luck, Anyway, she's already bringing good luck.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please, I'm not sure you look like me or don't look like your dad.
Yeah, that's another thing.
Look like
See,
me.
carry her nose, her teeth, her open teeth, carry her fine eyeballs.
Please don't be albino.
See? Do you have any albino in your family?
This thing.
That makes two of us otos. My brother, this God is wonderful. Oh. Yeah?
I can't believe what you're telling me.
Mama has now accepted Ojugo, my love, as her own. You need to see the way Mama is now treating her.
Wait.
Like her own daughter.
Your mother?
Yes.
The one you told me that chased her with...
Yes. I wanted to flog her because she did not cook. Because she did not do this. Because she did not wash her clothes.
Mothers. Oh.
Now she's because... You won't understand. Let me tell you. The shocking part of the whole thing is this.
Tell me now.
God, you're too
You are fond of this thing. Tell me, because you have never been this excited.
Hey! Excitement is understatement.
Okay, tell
See,
me.
my wife's brother.
Chinedu.
Edu Brazil. They traveled abroad for more than 7 years. And we thought that is missing. We thought maybe they've arrested him or he's dead somewhere.
What happened? Did they call?
He just came back. Now he has decided to change our lives.
Wait. What you are telling me now is that Edu Brazil
is back.
Is in town.
Is in town. As I'm talking to you now, Ojugo is there with him. Now, he now said that whatever Ojugo is the only sister.
Yes.
And they don't joke with her. Now, he said that anything it will take, that he wants me to stop selling all this kind of... If I want to do provision, I open a big supermarket. Don't worry, I will remember you in my paradise.
Please remember me.
As I'm talking to you now, he has agreed to change. Very soon we are going to leave this village to the city.
I'm leaving the village too?
With all alacrity.
Wait, so you are telling me now that we leave this village?
Yes. The person that his father is in heaven don't go to hell.
So, Ejike, don't worry yourself. My sister told me everything. And I promise her I'm going to help you. So I'll get back to you, okay?
Hey, thank you. Thank you so much.
What are you trying to do? No. I'm not God now. I can see that.
Suffer. We have suffered.
I can see that.
We have suffered. Thank you. God will bless
you.
You.
Suffer no more. Okay, I'm back. I'm back for good. Okay?
Thank you.
I'm back for good.
Thank you.
As you can see, I'm going out. I don't know if you can join me. I'm going for a stroll. I'm kind of want to pick one or two things, you know.
Edu, I should join you.
Yes.
My brother, join you. I'm not well dressed. Look at you now.
No, I don't think the way you're looking is bad. You're okay.
Can I join you inside your hotel with this body odor?
I'm not going for anything serious. I'm just going out to pick one or two groceries.
Groceries? Hey, so you're a Catholic there too?
That is not what I mean. What I meant is I want to get some foodstuffs.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay, I thought it was rosaries because I used to like young men that draw closer to God.
Because my in-law. But you're not looking bad.
My brother is hungry.
Your skin is you are growing, man. Are you not organic?
No, it's normal Nchude.
And you're looking like, which means my sister is taking good care of you, man.
Since I married Ojugo,
she's taking care of you.
Hey! She doesn't even allow me to go out inside the sun.
I can see that.
It is for see, bro, uncle. No. Okay, you've been out since, so you won't know him.
I don't like their condition, and I've decided to help them.
I don't like their condition either, my son. You know, I wanted to stop that marriage by not giving my consent. But your sister insisted, so I allowed them.
I have discussed with the man. From my own understanding, he has a good business acumen. Just that I don't have cash to fund it. So I believe if I give him little cash, he can buckle up.
Well, he's a very nice boy. You can go ahead and help them.
Alright, Dad, and I want to also tell you that I'll be going back in a few days. Yes. And I've not forgotten the house I promised to elect for you. Yes. And I will want Ejike to be in charge of the house. Yes, I will be sending money across to him to supervise the house.
And that is good. That is good. You know, the land is just by the corner. That land I showed you last time.
Yeah. I saw it. It's nice. It's a good location.
Yes.
I love it. Lest I forget. Ejike and the wife will be coming to see me this evening.
They are coming here tonight.
Yes, Dad.
It is good. After all, their house is not far from here.
Yes, Dad.
Hey, you know my son, I thought I have lost you.
You say you should stop thoughting. I'm here, I'm back for good. I'm here, I'm back, I'm full flesh and blood. Yeah. Hey. Kitsis, pregnancy looks good on you.
Thank you.
He's a boy.
Yes, I guess, maybe. I love the way both of you are living. I love everything about both of you.
Yes. You see, we make ourselves happy.
I love that. I love that. Both of you are happy.
Yes. The two both of us.
Yes.
We're happy.
Yeah.
My love.
Wow.
Oh, sorry.
I love the way you both of you do like twins.
Yes, now I don't have a choice. It's the only twins I have. The only twins I have. My love.
What is it?
Hey!
What is it?
See. 5 million!
Yes, for both of you.
Both of us!
Yes, for both of you.
Hey, don't worry, I will take it easy.
That's for both of
5 million?
Yes.
No need for
that. No need for that.
No, we have to thank you.
No, she's my blood. She's my only blood, yes.
You
all
see?
I know is to help her. Yes.
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. I will always take care of your blood.
See, listen. All you owe me is to take care of my blood.
With all infection.
Just take care of my blood.
Yes.
You get more alert. Yes. She's the only one I have.
Oh,
she's my eyes.
You see? I always knew that you will be the one to bring this good luck for me.
Yeah.
I should take care of you. And I'll get more alert.
Yes.
Keep being happy.
He's good at taking care of me. Be careful what you say.
Just make her happy for me.
Hey,
okay.
I promise I will always love your only blood.
Yes, love my only blood, man.
Only blood. Yeah, man.
I love this. Hey! I love the way both of you are living like twins.
Yes, both of us.
Yes, I love it.
Thank you. It's okay.
Yes.
Brother, please. Now that you're back for good, you need to pick a wife.
Very important.
You're looking fresh and young.
Yes.
Yes.
The way you sound as if I go out there, I just pick a wife. It's not easy like that.
There are a lot of fine girls in this village now.
Exactly. You see, you can introduce him to that your friend, the one that sells your Orugu.
Okay, that tough.
Yes.
Exactly. But you will like her.
Is she a languorous damsel? I mean, an epitome of beauty. I mean, paragon of Ifanalo. I know if you're getting me.
Oh yes. Paragon of Ifanalo. Yes. Hey, Mama.
Nah. You mean you've been experiencing all these things and you didn't even bother to inform your mother? Biko, I need to see him. He is a good man.
Yeah, Mama, he is. But he has gone.
We're gone, Oba.
Yeah. I just dropped him off at the airport because, he doesn't have a driver. So I just helped him drive him to the airport. Then I went to go and drop the car.
Is he one man? Well, wherever he is, my God will locate him and bless him.
Amen.
Oh, which I found now.
Amen.
Hi! Onyeneti. The baby's coming. Bring her out. Come here, Nazu. Come here. Yes. You can do it. Yes. Okay, come on. Come on. Be brave. Be brave. Yes. It's alright. It's alright. Don't take the one has not even broken, so he can wait time. It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, you too.
Why you? Put your hand here. Put your hand here.
I don't feel my waist. My waist.
You can't feel it. Don't want you to feel one. You can't feel your waist. You don't want to feel your waist. It's okay.
No.
Catch your waist. Go, Kada. But you won't last.
Sorry.
She has put to bed. Hey, thank God. Are you going, Mama? Hey, are you going, Mama? Hey. So I'm now a grandfather. Go. Hey, see that man?
Hey, Dimba.
Hey, Dimba.
If we're gonna go with pointed nose.
Oh, give me hand rock and come. Nose, no, it's not like my own.
We don't have the nose doesn't resemble any of our own. You see, this our own is like slippers. Yeah, the nose is like him. Not that's own, my Ojugo.
China Kimaka.
Hey! Don't worry, Buka. 4.5 kg.
Ah!
Go away.
Hey! Chukwa loka.
I
will come and see them. I will come now.
Come join us. Yes, hospital. Come join Mama! Omugo. She has put to bed.
Omugo!
Mwoke! Mama ifunwa. Mama ifunwa.
That is why I've been talking about Ojugo.
Mama, Ojugo is sick.
Osirike madam.
Ojugo sirike mwanya.
No, that is what I've always told
you. Hey! Mama, 4.5 kg.
Are you serious? 4.5. I thought the tag would be 4.0. Maka no Ojugo ili kani.
I don't get my mom waka.
4.5. No manya grandmother.
Mama.
Hey. Obinna ka maboya.
Obinna.
Obinna. Hey, Ojugo, my girl. Ojugo, my wife. I always talk about, you see all those things I was doing is to make her strong. When she will deliver like a Hebrew woman. Hey, when you will refund it.
No problem, Mama. But Mama, you used to hate her before.
I hate it, Romy. You got that wrong. When you love someone too much, you control it. Like I don't want to appear to love her too much and show it. She might take advantage.
I know. But I told you, she will bring good luck to me.
I know. I know. You've been queen.
We'll be queen. My love. This is what God has blessed us with.
Blessed us. I thought we were going to the shop. I didn't know you brought us to see someone.
We're not seeing anyone. This is our new home.
No.
Yes.
No, you're joking.
I'm serious. This is your house, baby.
Let's sit down first. This is your I feel so blessed. My love, marrying you after all was not a bad idea.
I am the one that is blessed, baby. I have you to thank for everything. Now imagine your brother wasn't there. Imagine your brother wasn't that rich. Through him we got all this. What would have become of us? So I have you to thank, baby.
Oh, thanks to God.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.